Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Today I'm going to attempt to show you how to make your own pickle basket for washing resin prints. The pickle basket's a popular item and kind of do-it-yourself resin printing to wash your prints in isopropyl alcohol, mean green, simple green, whatever you want. It's basically a plastic basket on the only place I've seen it is on Amazon. It's $10 to $12. What I'm gonna do is basically cut grooves down the side of it, drill holes in the bottom of it, drill 2 holes and use this wire to make a little handle, and then keep it down there. You fill the liquid up, put your resin print in there, and it has the right kind of inner diameter and outer diameter for both containers to be able to, basically what you're doing is just kind of dunking your print that sits in this inner container, and so it just agitates the liquid to clean it. This outer one's made of polypropylene, so number 5 plastic in the US, and then this is made out of poly something with a T, I forgot, but it's called PET. I use a 3D filament called PETG, so it's basically kind of like what water bottles are made out of. And I looked at the chemical reactions to isopropyl alcohol, mean green, stuff like that, and they should hold up. So I'm going to keep recording and then speed things up to mark it and cut it and try to make a boring video. And yeah, it doesn't look pretty, but I think it'll work. Now I just have to get a 3D printer, or a resin 3D printer. So yeah, if you guys like this, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I always like talking to my viewers, and just check out my other videos. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.